guys, it's Kali and I'm back with another DokiDoki Cosplay unboxing and review. This one is the Prestige Ocean Song Seraphine. As most college students who study computer science do, I used to play a lot of League in college. I haven't touched it in ages now, I'm going to be honest. And by ages I mean like a year and a half. So, I love the skins though. I still follow up with the lore. I love hearing about the characters. I just find it incredibly stressful, and for that reason I don't play it anymore because I have other things to get stressed about. I'm really excited for this. Seraphine's been a character on my list for a very long time. I did make the Heartthrob Caitlyn cosplay ages ago. I have it in my closet and it's all ready to be worn, but the thing is I never made her prop, so I never wore it. So technically this is my second League cosplay. If I can get over the fear of wearing the other, then yeah. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Here is the bag. Let's change this camera angle. Okay, you guys can see my coffee here. You know me, I'm always getting Dutch Bros. I can't open the bag. Okay, there it goes. Already, this honestly reminds me a lot of the Kokomi cosplay I got from Dokidoki ages ago. Let's start with these details in the smaller Dokidoki bag. Brings light a little bit closer too. So we have some little seashell type of accessories here. Assuming these are clipped throughout it. Pretty sure this is a hair accessory. This is really pretty. What it looks like to me is a piece of vinyl with a applique seashell. Guys, I really can't say the word seashell. Okay, with an applique seashell design. I'm pretty sure this goes around her bun. Have a whole lot of ribbons that go all over the place that I'm not going to unwrap right now because I'm not officially wearing this until later on. Jewelry piece. This is a vinyl material right here, which I really like because it makes it more comfortable, more wearable. Clips once again to go all over. There's a star and just a couple gold ones. Focus! Focus! Oh well, it's not focusing, but you get the point. This is one of the arm pieces, I believe. So zoom out a bit here. It is really pretty. This is clearly a really like pearlescent organza type material. Has the organza and the edges are all serged. So this is how tiny serged edge looks up close. Very pretty. This is also an organza material of a different color. And then this is appliqued once again around the edges with little gems hanging off. Here is the second arm piece. Something I didn't point out on the first one was these beautiful little stars all over the little pearl details. They're so beautiful. There was like a pink smudge here. I wasn't sure if it was from my lipstick or not. This is the top. You can see how this part would go on the neck. There is a bunch of snaps back here, which, as you guys know, I love snaps. I'm super disappointed whenever a cosplay company uses Velcro because Velcro pulls on your hair. It's a really nasty material, and a lot of lower end cosplay companies will use Velcro all over the place because also Velcro catches on to this kind of material and it destroys it. So these snaps are really nice because it's also slightly adjustable to the snaps. It's probably not meant to be, but if you wanted it to be, you could make it more comfortable for yourself. So I really adore that. Snaps don't feel like they're going to go anywhere. You're not going to be left with your shirt coming off. Two more appliques. Now this is something that I am thrilled about. So I don't know if you guys watched my The Varian Dancer review recently from Final Fantasy XIV. The cosplay was not from DokiDoki, it was from a different cosplay company. Did not have the structure in it, so you have to find a way either to put a bra with it or find some other way to get it to hold itself up. And this looks awesome, and I'm super thrilled with it for these pieces that you can't usually put straps with. And then something I really love is that this has like a clasp on back here, and this material right here is stretchy. It's really stretchy. So you could probably get an extra inch or two out of this from the back. So I don't know how I'm gonna put this part on my own, but there's a little chain back here holding those two ends together. Not really sure how I'm gonna put that on my own. Clasps are easy enough to take on and off. I just really struggle. Lovely detail though. Really, really great attention to detail on this. And that is it for the top. So next up we have the skirt. I had a moment of panic because I was like, this waistband is so tiny, no way this is gonna fit me. But here it is in its full glory. It's pretty loud, isn't it? You can see all of these beautiful like layers. So something I should really love about this is there's 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have 3 layers of skirt here. They didn't just go with 1 layer and add this on the end. It's a nice fluffy skirt, which I really appreciate. Needs a little bit of ironing. Makes sense though when you sit in a package for so long. And these really tiny rolled hems are really gorgeous. So this is really well made. I'm really happy with it. Without further ado, let's try it on. So here it is! I am so in love with it. It is a little bit itchy. It's all organza. But honestly, I could just put something on under it, it's fine. Under this neck part. But this is a try on without any of these jewelry bits, because they kind of take a second to look up and figure out where everything goes and all of that. But I showed you guys them already, so you know what they look like at least, what to expect. But everything, plus these aren't fit specific. This all fits like a glove. It fits me so well. I will put whatever size I ordered in the description too, and if it's still on their site, hopefully. I ordered this a while ago. I just didn't make a review unboxing type thing until today. It's everywhere. It looks awesome. So I'm really happy with it. Despite how itchy the neck is, everything else is super comfortable and easy to wear. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited to wear this to some cons during the summer. So if you haven't been here previously, I'm trying to collect more summer-friendly cosplay, because pretty much every con that I usually go to cons that I usually go to have been moved to the summer. Like Anime New York City was in November, and now it's in the summer. And a lot of my cosplays are very heavy, and they're not very summertime friendly at all. So I wanted some stuff that was more summertime friendly. So I've been collecting it little by little. My money feels worth it at the moment, so. And I post my cosplay photos all the time to social media, and I'm always making TikToks and stuff, so come hang out if you're interested. And I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.